Green veggies. Who knew that they are absolutely vital for good health, especially in menopause? Ladies, welcome to Menopause Mastery, where we are here to thrive and not just survive in midlife. Two of the worst symptoms that I come across with clients, and actually me 10 years ago, I had terrible hot flushes and night sweats in menopause. And green veggies, believe it or not, these little beauties here can really help. They can reduce, and they've actually shown this with studies, that they can reduce them by 20%. So for me, it's an absolute no-brainer to include them in my diet, and why wouldn't you too? They have all sorts of benefits, from vitamins, minerals, phytoestrogens, and lots of fibre. And fibre is something that we really need to keep us regular. And actually, there's a separate video you can watch on fibre. So what we want to do is include these in our diets every single day. Obviously, they're readily available wherever we live, and it makes sense for us to include them with every single meal so that we're getting the benefits on a daily basis to help those symptoms that I just talked about. So how would you go about incorporating them daily? Well, one of the things that I do is make sure that I have a portion with every single meal. So for my breakfast, if I have an omelette, I'll maybe do some broccoli to go alongside it. And then lunch, if I'm having a salmon steak and sweet potatoes, say, then I'll add some kale. And then in the evening, when we tend to like to have comforting food, maybe with a curry or a casserole or something like that, you can get way more veggies into there. So maybe you'll have 2 portions then. But just start with one, start small. If you're not a green vegetable person, you can learn to be. We can all change our habits, and don't believe people that say they can't. And start really small, maybe just with a tablespoon a day, and see how you feel. And gradually over a couple of weeks, you can build it up so that you've got them with every single meal. I want to say thank you so much for watching this, but if you've already experienced some benefits from green veggies, please comment below and share, because it will be useful for everybody else to hear. Because for me, they dramatically changed my life. And that sounds like an over-exaggeration, but actually it's not. And there are so many studies, not just on menopause, but on health in general, that green vegetables need to be part of our lives. And so many people are not eating them. So make them part of your daily life. Comment below if you've already had some help, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks very much for watching, and have a great day.